So next we're discussing about the topic is Joule's law or Joule's heating effect. Joule's heating effect. See here now we are considering here the resistance. So this is the resistance is denoted by the R, is connected through a battery of EMFE, battery of EMFE, positive and negative terminal. Now the current is always passing the positive terminal to negative terminal. Now whenever the current is passing through the resistance, whenever the current is passing through the resistance, after sometimes now it become a hot, the resistor become a hot. That means here the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Electrical energy is converted into the heat energy, is called as the Joule's law or Joule's heating effect. Now see this whenever see whenever current 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 is passing through. See what is the whenever current is passing through a conductor. Conductor is nothing but to resistance. Conductor is nothing but what is the resistance. It becomes hot. It becomes hot after some time. See, this is the current is passing through this conductor or resistance. After some time, what is it? It's becoming hot. This indicates what is indicating by there. Now when this electrical energy is converted into the heat energy, this indicates electrical energy convert electrical energy being convert into heat energy. So what is the electrical energy is converted to heat energy. This effect is known as Joule heating effect. Joule heating effect. Joule's heating effect. See here, what is the main is there in Joule's law? What is the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. See, now this effect is known as the Joule's heating effect. Now, when a current is passing through this resistance, what is the work potential difference? Potential difference can be producing in a conductor. Potential difference. What is the formula for potential? V is equal to amount of work done for unit charge. Now the work is equal to the work is equal to potential into charge. We know that from Ohm's law, what we can write, the V is equal to I into R, and charge is equal, the current is equal to charge for unit time. Then the charge we can write the current into time. Then we can substitute the work is equal to V is equal to how much is there? I into R, and this become also I into T. I square into RT is equal to amount of work done when the current is passing through the resistance. See, this work is in form of heat energy. What is the work is in form of a heat energy. That means we can write the W is equal to Q. What we can write, the W is equal to Q. Then we can write the amount of heat is equal to I square into R into T. See, this is the one of the equation of a Joule's heating law. The Q is equal to I square into R into T. Now another equation can also be developed by the using of this one from Ohm's law. Ohm's law. What we can write here, the V is equal to I into R. I into R. Then we can write the I is equal to V by R. Now this I value substitute here. I value we can write the substitute here. Then the Q is equal to I is equal to how much is there here, the V by R whole square into R into T, that is equal to V square by R into R into T. V square denoted by the R square into T. See, the R, one R gets cancelled. The remaining, what is the formula is there here, the amount of heat is equal to V square R into T. See, this is the another equation of a Joule's heating law. Joule's heating law. Now next we can write here the from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law. What is the formula here? V is equal to I into R. Now here we can write the R is equal to, what we can write here, the R is equal to V by I. V by I. Again this R value substitute here in this equation. Now we can write the amount of heat. This Q is equal to I square. R is equal to how much is there here, the V by I into time. See, the current I gets cancelled. Remaining what is there? This is the Q is equal to V into I into T. See, this is the third equation of a Joule's heating. This is nothing but a amount of heat. Now observing these three equations also. What is the amount of heat? That means the electrical energy is converted into the heat energy. But the heat here, the heat energy is directly proportional to the square of the time. And now here the amount of heat is directly proportional to its resistance. Now here the amount of heat, is directly proportional to its time. See, this is three equations is called as the Joule's heating effect of a equation, the amount of heat equations.